Welcome to OptinexTech. In this tutorial, we will build a reusable toast notification component in React. The toast will display messages or alerts and will automatically dismiss after a set duration. First, we create toast folder inside components folder. Inside toast folder, create two files, toast.js and toast.css. Moving to toast.js, first, import the useEffect hook from React, which will help us handle the auto-dismiss functionality of the toast component. Also, import the toast.css file for custom styles. Next, define toast functional component which receives a few props, message, which is text to display in toast, type, which is used to style toast based on its purpose, on close, which will handle closing the toast, and duration for toast visibility. Now, we use the useEffect hook to create the auto-dismiss feature. Inside the useEffect, we use the setTimeout function to automatically trigger the onClose function after specified duration. If no duration is provided, it defaults to 3 seconds. The useEffect also has a cleanup function that clears the timer when the component is unmounted, ensuring no memory leaks. The effect listens to changes in duration and onClose props to update the timer if needed. Next, return the JSX structure. We wrap the toast message in a div with a dynamic class name, where type will style the toast according to its purpose, like info, success, error, or warning. Inside this div, we display the message prop, and include a close button with an onClick handler that triggers the onClose function when clicked, allowing the user to manually dismiss the toast. Finally, export the toast component so it can be imported and used in other parts of the application. First, style the basic toast container. We position it fixed at the top, right corner of the screen, with 20 pixels of spacing from the top and right. We set the padding to make it visually balanced and the text color is set to white. The font size is set to show 16 pixels for readability, and the border radius gives the corners a soft, rounded effect. A light shadow adds depth, making toast stand out. The display property is set to flex, with justify content to space between. And align items to center. Then set min width to 200 pixels and max width to 300 pixels. Finally, set Z index property to 1000 for visibility. Next, style the info toast by giving it a blue background color, which typically represents informational messages. The specific color code #3171 makes it visually distinct. For the success messages, we use a green background with the hex code #28A745. This green is commonly associated with positive or successful actions. Now, for the error messages, we apply a red background color with the hex code #DC3545. Red typically signifies errors. For the warning toasts, we choose a yellow background with the hex code #FFC107. This color grabs attention, signaling caution or important alerts that need user attention. Finally, style the close button inside the toast. We remove the background and border to make it visually simple. The button's text color is set to white, matching the toast's overall color scheme. The font size is set to 20 pixels to make it easy to click, and left margin of 10 pixels ensures that the button doesn't touch the message text. The cursor is set to pointer to indicate it's clickable, and we make button text bold for emphasis. In app.js, we have already defined two buttons with label info and error which helps to show toast. First, we import the toast component from its directory to make it available in the current file. We also import the useState hook from React. Here, we initialize the toast state using the useState hook and set its initial value to null. This state will hold the toast's data, such as the message and type. The setToast function is used to update the toast state. This function, showToast, takes two parameters, message and type. It updates the toast state using setToast, setting the message and type in an object. This function is used to trigger a toast notification with a specific message and style. The removeToast function clears the current toast by setting the toast state to null. This effectively hides the toast notification, whether it's dismissed manually or automatically after a set duration. Then we use conditional rendering to display the toast component only when the toast state is not null. It passes the message and type from the toast object to customize the content and appearance of the toast. The duration is set to 3 milliseconds, meaning the toast will automatically disappear after 3 seconds. The onClose function is set to remove toast, allowing the toast to be manually closed or dismissed automatically. In the onClick handler of the button, we call the showToast function. When the button is clicked, it triggers a toast notification with a specific message and type. For example, clicking the Info button will show an Info Toast message with the Info type, and clicking the Error button will show an Error Toast with the Error type. Now, our development is complete. Let's test the output. When we click on Info button, we see toast with message Info Toast, which will automatically dismissed after 3 seconds. For Error button, we see toast with message Error Toast. When we click on Close button, it will be dismissed. And that's a wrap. We now have our fully customized reusable toast component which can be used in any React project. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.